Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Udacity, start learning tech skills step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser such as Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. In the address bar, type udacity.com and press enter. Wait for the Udacity homepage to fully load. Look at the top right corner of the page for the login option. Click Login to open the sign-in page. If you see multiple sign-in methods, choose the one you plan to use. To log in with email, select the email option if it is not already selected. Click inside the email field and type the email address linked to your Udacity account. Click inside the password field and type your password carefully. Check that caps lock is off to avoid password mistakes. If you want the site to keep you signed in, enable the Remember Me option if available. Click the Login or Sign In button to submit your details. Wait a moment while Udacity verifies your information. If prompted, complete any security check such as a CAPTCHA. If you enabled two-step verification, enter the code sent to your email or authenticator app. After a successful login, confirm you are redirected to your Udacity dashboard. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your email address on the password reset screen and submit the request. Open your email inbox and look for the password reset message from Udacity. Click the reset link in the email and create a new strong password. Return to Udacity and log in again using your updated password. If you prefer Google Login, go back and click Continue with Google. Select the correct Google account and approve the permission request if asked. If you prefer Apple Login, click Continue with Apple and complete the Apple sign-in steps. If you prefer Facebook Login, click Continue with Facebook and confirm the login prompt. Once logged in, click My Classroom or Dashboard to view your enrolled courses. Use the search bar to find a course or nano-degree program you want to start. Click the course, then press Start Learning or Resume to begin. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.